With over 1 billion users in 2022, it's easy to see why people are looking for ways to use TikTok to build an income. Want to use your skills on TikTok to make money but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Number 1. Offer services to TikTok users on Fiverr. Fiverr.com is the world's largest freelancing marketplace, and millions of buyers use the website every year to find the perfect freelancer for their job. It used to be $5 for any service, but those days are long gone. You can now charge anywhere up to $10,000 for services on Fiverr. A quick search brings up over 6,000 results relating to TikTok. This is a great time to start offering service to TikTok users, as the competition will only become more fierce. There are many niches you can work in to get sales on Fiverr, such as account management, logo and graphic design for TikTok videos, video editing, and even script and content writing. There really is something for everyone, and if you don't already have a skill that is in demand on Fiverr, it is always possible to learn new skills and gain experience. Sign up to Fiverr and take a look around for search terms containing TikTok on skills you have, and get started freelancing. Number 2. Use LinkedIn to find TikTok freelance projects. Fiverr isn't the only way to find people who want to pay for your skills on TikTok. Many businesses are looking to move their marketing and social media onto TikTok to reach the younger generation, and they use LinkedIn, the professional social media platform, to find people to work with. In fact, LinkedIn launched their own service marketplace in 2021, which aims to link up businesses with the freelancers they need to get their job done. Signing up to LinkedIn is free and lets you build a network of professional contacts, as well as use the service marketplace. Unlike the other freelance marketplaces, things on LinkedIn are more professional. So remember this when you're dealing with clients, but the businesses here will be willing to pay good money for an expert on TikTok who can help them out by growing their TikTok account. Start a LinkedIn profile and start connecting with business people, other freelancers, and use the service marketplace to find freelance work, and you'll be making money in no time. Number 3. Find TikTok remote jobs on Upwork. Another great way of finding freelancing jobs online is Upwork. It's another freelance platform, but unlike Fiverr, where you advertise your services, here you search for available jobs that suit your skills and apply for them. Signing up is easy. You just need to fill out your skills, experience, and personal info. Then you can search TikTok to browse all the available jobs. You can expect to see lots of jobs asking for someone to take over control of their TikTok account on a daily, weekly, monthly, or even longer-term basis. They will be looking for someone to manage their account, post content daily, and answer questions and comments if needed. It's important to sell yourself. You'll need to write a proposal for the jobs you want. Let them know your skills and experience working with TikTok or similar social media sites like Instagram so that they know you're the right person for their job. You can set your own rates and apply for the jobs you want to do on your terms. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.